Welcome to Metica Machinery. We are manufacturer for packaging machinery. It's ready for bottling equipments from filling, capping, labeling. Here are the products we make, from small one to big one. These are our CE certificates. We use this shop to debug machinery and ready to ship. This line here is a typical one for small bottles. Bottle feeder, filling, capping, bottle labeling, boxing, and also the box labeler. This line is the liquid filling line. Filling machine, capping machine, labeling machine. And on both sides, labeling machine. This is the typical economy filling line. Filling machine, capping machine. This line here is specially designed for vials from filling, capping, labeling, different types of vials. Here, specially customized labeling machine for very special products. Bottle block, filling, capping, caps loading together. Filling machine. Okay, thank you for watching.